Crypto billionaire 69. I gotta redo that. Crypto billionaire 69. Back with another daily and technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Now, if it's your first time to the channel, hit that subscribe button for daily in-depth technical analysis on the one, the only Dogelon Mars. If you listen real quietly, it is raining outside. It's a beautiful day, very calm, very chill. I got a candle going next to me. Haven't drank my coffee yet, but that's okay. It's 3:50 p.m. Let's get straight into the charts, my beautiful friends. Before we get started, let's check this crypto fear and greed index, just to see what the sentiment in the market is looking like. 23, we're still in extreme fear, which is great. It is beautiful because we are making higher lows, not only on Dogelon Mars, but also on Bitcoin. We are testing previous resistance right now on Bitcoin. And if we can close above this $44,000 level within the next few days, next 3 to 5 days on Bitcoin, that will confirm that a reversal is imminent. So, Dogelon Mars, this is the chart we're looking at. It's a beautiful chart, beautiful chart. We have a little flag pattern going on right around this area. And I will get in depth into the levels that we need to watch. Let's do it. Okay, so these are the daily candles. If you don't know what candlesticks are, I'll give you a little update. Daily candles means each one of these is one whole day. Got it? Cool. So we're going to go back down to the 2 hourly candles. Each candle now is 2 hours. Got it? Cool. All right. I'm going to draw the support line. Grab the support line. Take it from here. Move it up. Boom. Grab this support line, take it from here, move it down. So this is the time frame we are looking at in order to break out. Now you want to make her extend it a little bit longer, just so yes, this is the time frame we're looking at. So within the next few hours, around 8 to 10 hours, oh my goodness gracious, that really messed me up. We want to see us close a 2 hourly candle above these 1330 levels and especially above these 1350 levels. If we can do that, that makes it very, very possible to change this previous support into change this previous resistance into new support, my beautiful friends. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't like trading very often off of flag patterns like this because they are not the most accurate. This is one simple way of trading. However, the percentage of accuracy is not the highest. This is way, way better. This is how I like to trade. And this is how the market moves. This is how the big money trades. So this is our first level of resistance around this 1350 level. All right. We want to see that. Now, if we do come back down to these 1280s, we want to hold support. We are currently consolidating in a range, but this is what we are looking for. If we move past these 1380s with volume, that means it's a good confirmation to average in. However, we need to watch these 14 levels because that is our next level of support before we can actually head back up to these 15s, 16s, and 17s. So we are currently in we're making higher lows in a market that is very uncertain, which is a very good thing. It is not dipping. It is not tanking. We are seeing some bullish buying pressure step in, which is a very good sign. Right now is still a great opportunity to average in. However, if you want to get really, really, really in depth with the price, the best time for you to average in will be to wait. And this is what you would like to wait for. You want to average in 1/4 if it comes down to these 1280s. Got that? Cool. Why 1/4? Because if it breaks through the 1280s, comes back down and tests these, you can average in another 1/4. Okay? And then this will be your final point of averaging in to the 3/4. Because, let me explain why. We are making higher lows. However, if we break this trend line, this is a massive point of support on the 2 hourly candles. Now, don't get me wrong. These candles are very, very small, and this is for day traders. These are for the people that want to get the best price possible, is to average in like this. This is for holding under a day. If you're holding over a week, over a month, then getting in right now is a beautiful opportunity. Anything under the 15 levels is a beautiful opportunity. But to get really specific, if you want the best bang for your buck, then this is what you should look out for. So looking out on the overall markets, we want to see if we break through these 1280 levels here, okay? If we break through the bottom, break through the floor, this is the farthest, this is the major support that we need to watch if we end up breaking through these 11s, okay? If we end up breaking through the bottom of this wick here, around these 1169 areas, then we will be heading back down to the 10s. However, I do not believe that's going to happen because everything right now is lining up perfectly. Now, if it does happen, that's simply because Bitcoin is retracing as well, and every other altcoin will follow. However, if Bitcoin holds its ground above $43,000 and moves higher, breaking that $44,000 levels, that means we will continue to the upside. It's that simple. The only thing holding us back right now is Bitcoin, the overall market, and the sentiment going on. It's extreme fear, guys. It's a beautiful time to buy. It's a beautiful time to get in. So yes, my beautiful friends, Crypto Billionaire 69, that's to the downside. If you want to look to the upside, the confirmation to the upside. Okay, let's look in depth. This is 2 hours. That's a lot of action. Let's go to 4 hours. Because I don't like looking for day trades. Because day trades, by the time you watch this, you know, the moves have probably already happened. If we were trading on the 5-minute charts, it's more of a live action scenario. I can't post this, and because we'll probably, you know, you won't get the best levels. So 4 hourly charts are much better to see some more action. 2 hourly candles are a little too much for our HODL strategy. And our HODL strategy is to HODL for months, okay? HODL for months until we hit a 10x. And along the way, we're going to get out at the spikes, buy back in at the dips, and what are we at right now? We're at a dip. So think about averaging in. This is not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. All right, to the upside. This is what we need to look for. Currently, right now, it would be very nice if it came back down and tested these 1225 levels, 1220 levels, because if we can show strong support there, that means it's beautiful, and we can head back to the upside. It's beautiful because it's putting in a double bottom, and a double bottom is much stronger than higher lows, okay? Higher lows are good. However, eventually we're going to break this trend line back to the downside. And if we do, then putting in a double bottom around these 12 levels will be much better than it just breaking straight through because of the sellers. So it would be amazing if we could come back down to these 1, 2, 3, 4 levels and see buying pressure. However, if we break straight through the top, I wouldn't be too eager to get in around these 1360 levels, simply because we have another major resistance at these 14 levels. You want to watch these 14 levels because we most likely will see some selling pressure. Mark my words. Once we get up to these 14 levels, we're probably going to see some selling pressure unless Bitcoin continues to just absolutely spike, buyers step in and move it up. However, if we continue to consolidate around these $43,000 levels and the market sentiment is it says extreme fear, but I feel like the overall market right now is very neutral. That's why it's not moving up or down very much right now. And I say it's neutral because a lot of people are still buying. A lot of retail traders are still buying. But it's simply just a matter of time before we can scare out the weak hands and move to the upside. So it's just patience, my friends, patience. And to the upside, we want to watch this 14 level. See if there's selling pressure. If there is, it's okay. It's okay. We'll probably retrace back down. Hopefully to these 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. That would be a beautiful thing. We really want to see some buying pressure here. Now, if that doesn't happen, then we can very well come back down to these 12s, okay? And we want to watch the 12s very closely. Excuse that alarm. I'm going to turn it off. Snoozing it, baby. Snoozing it. Don't snooze or lose, my friends. If you snooze, you lose. And we're not snoozing on Dogelon to Mars. We're making money. Crypto Billionaire 69. That's some in-depth analysis. However, let me make it really simple for you guys. HODL. All we got to do is accumulate right now. Because once we spike, it's going to be insane. It's going to be insane. And you guys really need to pay attention. You really need to pay attention to these analysis videos. You guys in the Patreon are straight. I will help you guys out. Just have your notifications on. But it's going to spike within a few days, within a few freaking hours, and we're going to have to get out at the best time. And I will help you guys with that best time, okay? I will help you guys. But right now is accumulation phase, so sit back, relax, and accumulate, my friends, before we spike, all right? Beautiful crypto billionaire 69. I will catch you guys in the next video. Check out the Patreon. There's like 5 spots left, I believe. Beautiful people are running it up in there. Post every single day. Updates and real-time buy and sell alerts. Crypto billionaire 69 out.